Ashley, she did quite good naman. But I did notice with her, I think she needs growth pa when it comes to singing. Like sabi ko naman sila sa kanila, hindi naman to yung end of the world, alam mo yun. It might hurt right now, syempre, pero I want to make these kids feel din yung gantong feeling para alam na nila yung gagawin nila sa susunod na mangyari to. Alam mo yun, like, these mistakes, these flaws are the ones that make you way stronger, you know. Kaya um, sobrang believe din talaga ako dito sa mga batang to and how they push through. Si Ashley kanina, kahit umiyak siya, nakasmile pa rin siya eh. Kaya medyo masakit din siya makita. Pero, they did a good job. They did a good job.